My name is Dave Pinto, and I'm running for Ramsey County Attorney. I'm seeking the DFL endorsement this spring. I'd like to tell you a little bit about my background and why I'm running for this office and what I hope to do in the job. I grew up in Falcon Heights and Roseville, now live in St. Paul with my wife and our 2 kids, and I work in the Ramsey County Attorney's office right now as a domestic violence prosecutor. So put more simply, I stand up to bullies, to those who prey on the vulnerable. Well, I've said many times that the county attorney's office deals with the most serious crimes, the most vulnerable victims. And the fact is, I'm the only candidate running who has experience in any county attorney's office. And of course, I'm in the Ramsey County Attorney's office. I'm the only person who is in court every day fighting crime. And I think that there's no substitute for that kind of experience in leading this office. I was researching the background of a defendant, a domestic abuser, quite a while back now, and I found this guy had been involved in a child abuse case. And I was surprised, and then after a minute I realized that that case was from the early 1990s. And the way this guy was involved is that he was the child. And then one line up on the computer screen, some minor juvenile stuff, and, truancy, then some shoplifting, and more serious cases, until the top line on my computer screen, and he's bashing his girlfriend in front of their kids. And that's where I get involved. So ultimately, I'm running to get this child off of this path of becoming this man. To my mind, that's the kind of work that involves fighting for the vulnerable. What it means is recognizing first that the role of my office is to protect everybody in society, but with a special obligation to protect the most vulnerable in our society. My office works especially with kids, with the mentally ill, with those who are, with seniors, with those who are particularly vulnerable. And my office has a special obligation to work with them, but the fact is to fight for them. County government, more than any other level of government, helps the rest of us to meet Humphrey's moral test. It's county government that provides the food and the shelter and the health care and all the basics that people need that they can't provide for themselves. And the county attorney's office is intimately involved in that work by representing the vulnerable and by helping people who are in that situation, and then by advising all the county agencies that actually do that work. And it's crucial that that work be done with vision and sensitivity and with integrity and energy. And I'm just thrilled by the prospect of building on the work that I'm doing right now for the county to lead in this new role. And so with your help, I'm going to get there. So thank you very much.